view of our Ethereum expectation for 2024, the ETH cost could go somewhere in the range of $1,741 and $5.97. As indicated by our Ethereum expectation 2025, ETH is supposed to reach up to the greatest degree of $6,563 and with a base cost of $4,559. By 2030, Ether is determined to reach up to the most extreme value level of $2,643 with a base cost of $14,340. Ethereum ETH, the world's second biggest digital money, stands apart as one of the most thorough and enamoring blockchain stages accessible today. Past being seen only as a digital money, Ethereum is profoundly respected by crypto fans for its significant inherent worth and capacity to furnish financial backers with novel procuring open doors. In this Ethereum cost expectation, we will dig into what's to come possibilities of ETH and survey whether Ethereum will recuperate to its unequaled high in the impending years. What is Ethereum ETH? Ethereum, the world's second biggest digital money and biggest altcoin, goes past being a crypto token. It is famous for its powerful elements and imaginative blockchain arrangements, drawing in interest even outside the crypto local area. As an open-source blockchain with shrewd agreement usefulness, Ethereum is generally used in the field of DeFi. Ethereum isn't simply a cryptographic money. It likewise works as an organization kept up with by validators who procure ETH for their commitments. We project that Ethereum could arrive at above $20,000 by 2030, a chance upheld by elements like its extraordinary model, expansive market system, versatility arrangements, and administration in decentralized applications. Vitalik Buterin presented Ethereum in a 2013 white paper, and in 2014, he and other fellow benefactors got financing for the venture. They brought $18.3 million up in Bitcoin through an ICO where north of 60 million Ether was sold at a cost of $311. The Ethereum establishment formally sent off the blockchain on July 30, 2015, with the model codenamed Boondocks. From that point forward, Ethereum has gone through a few organization refreshes. These incorporate Constantinople on February 28, 2019, Istanbul on December 8, 2019, Muir Glacial Mass on January 2, 2020, Berlin on April 14, 2021, and most as of late, the London hard fork on August 5, 2021. Ethereum's essential goal is to set up a good foundation for itself as a worldwide stage for dApps, empowering clients overall to make and execute programming that is versatile to control personal time and false exercises. Shanghai Shapella Overhaul. The Shanghai hard fork denotes Ethereum's change from POW to POS, permitting clients to unstake their ETH through EIP 48 and 95. Furthermore, it acquaints enhancements with exchange proficiency and diminished gas charges for decentralized applications, including EIP 3 and 651, EIP 3 at 855, and EIP 3 at 860. Ethereum encountered a huge jump with the Capella redesign, which lined up with the Shanghai overhaul. Together, these progressions converged to make Shapella in the crypto local area. Beginning from April 12, this redesign empowered the arrival of around 18 million tokens worth $35 billion from marking contracts. Shockingly, rather than causing selling pressure and a potential cost decline, the redesign started a convention in Ether's cost, coming to $2,100. How high will Ethereum go? Ethereum might contact $20,000 toward the finish of 2030 regardless of the new cost activity. The vast majority of the crypto specialists are bullish on the eventual fate of Ethereum, and ETH might go up in the impending years. Financial backers were persistently stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, in this way searching for preferable choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. Be that as it may, when Bitcoin at long last arrived at over the $42K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. Alongside that, the continuous reinforcing of the Ethereum organization and the group's obligation to creating imaginative elements, it is exceptionally likely that both ETH and its financial backers will encounter supported development and thriving in the present and the years to come. Presently, we should investigate the drawn-out cost projections for Ethereum. In the year 2021, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers monstrous returns before the beginning of the new year. In any case, in 2022, there was a critical drop in the cost for every one of the resources. As per different cryptographic money specialists, Ethereum cost forecasts demonstrate that the worth of the ETH token might actually diminish to $354,602 toward the finish of 2024. Alternately, other Ether conjectures project that the ETH coin can possibly arrive at its most elevated level at $6,563 toward the finish of 2025. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for speculation for brokers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Presently, how about we investigate the ETH expectations for this and impending years? Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. As indicated by our Ethereum cost expectation, we accept ETH could reach to the most extreme worth of $5.97 by 2024. On the disadvantage, Ethereum's cost might diminish to the base cost of $1,741. The typical cost of Ethereum may be around $3,419 in 2024. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. According to our ETH cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $4 to $559, $5 $561, and $6 $564. As per our ETH cost expectation for 2025, we estimate an uplifting perspective for the coin, and we are very bullish on Ethereum's cost for 2025. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. Our Ethereum figure uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $5,915 to $8,515, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2026. Interestingly, the typical cost for the year might be sell as $7,215. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum cost expectation, the coin might have a possible high and likely low of $11 to $142 and $7 $740 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $9 $441. Ethereum Value Forecast 2028. As indicated by our Ethereum expectations, for 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $9 $213 and $13 $263 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $11 $238 in light of our Ethereum crypto cost forecast. Ethereum Value Expectation 2029. In view of our Ethereum coin cost expectation, the ETH cost might reach as high as $16 $713 in 2029, while on the drawback, it might exchange around a low of $11 $610. The typical cost of Ethereum is supposed to be around $14 $16 in 2029. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. Our ETH cost expectations for 2030 demonstrated the coin may be hustling to peak. The ETH coin might have a base cost of $14 $340, while it might record a critical high of $20 $643 by 2030. The Ethereum future looks encouraging for the drawn-out viewpoint, with a typical worth of $17 $492 in 2030. According to the Ethereum cost expectation from Wallet Investor, ETH cost might diminish and reach to $637 following a year. ETH can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice, and your speculation might be downgraded from now on. Is Ethereum a wise speculation? Indeed, Ethereum is a wise speculation since it is the second biggest crypto by market cap and has a huge portion of the overall industry.